5. Super simple habits to speak English fluently in just 30 days. Number 1. Speak English every day. Fluency comes from practice, not from books. Spend at least 15 minutes every day speaking out loud. Number 2. Listen to English before you speak. Listen to podcasts, news, or stories every day. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation, then repeat what you hear. Number 3. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Don't try to learn 100 words at once. Focus on 5 new words and use them in sentences. Number 4. Think in English, not in translation. Stop translating from your native language. Start thinking in English. When you are hungry, tell yourself, I am hungry. Not I am hungry in your own language first. This rewires your brain for fluency. Number 5. Practice daily conversations. Find a partner or practice with your phone recorder. Ask simple questions and remember, the goal is fluency, not perfection. Motivation is not enough to become fluent. You need discipline. If you follow these habits for 30 days, you will see amazing improvement in your English speaking. Subscribe to Talkoria for more tips to master English step by step.